I think you can hit the back arrow.
Okay. Let's see, week.
Try that and see if that works.
3. Okay, I did the individual prep, right? Did anybody's homework quiz on lesson 4 lose their graphics last week?
No.
No.
I don't even remember last week.
I logged into the quiz and it said use the following, and it was up for like just a blink and then it was gone.
Oh. No, that didn't happen to me. I would let them know that happened.
I did. Then you have 2 attempts. And so when I went in, I guessed as best I could. And then I went in to submitted it. And then it had all the graphics. So boy, I wrote down all the graphics or the answers off the graphics. So.
Does everybody have the quiz open?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. You guys ready to begin?
Yep.
Cool. So, do you guys want to start on question 3?
Yeah.
Okay. And then do you want to read it out loud, or are we just going to read it to ourselves again?
Why don't somebody read it out loud?
Okay, where is the following table?
What?
I don't have a table.
Oh, no.
Okay, well, the table, it just says blood type, and across the top it says O, A, B, and AB. So the different blood types.
Uh-huh.
And if you want to write it down, for O, it's 0.45. For A, it's 0.40. For B, it's 0.11. And for AB, it's 0.04.
Okay,
Hey,
start
Doris.
over with A.
Doris.
I am in Chrome. Do you think that's my problem?
No, I'm in Chrome.
No, I'm in Chrome.
Huh.
Doris, can you see
the
screen?
percentage for A was, oh, thank you, Jared.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Okay. There we go. 0.45. There was no 1 in front of it.
Okay, if you add all those up, does it add up to 100 or to 1?
Okay, B 0.11 and AB. What was okay? Over to the.
Yeah.
What was AB? I can't read it.
AB's 0.04.
You good, Doris?
So if it all adds up to 1, then I think we can say that it's true.
Yeah.
Go.
All righty.
I can't read. It is.
I would say it's true.
I would say it's true as well.
Okay, and then the next one, it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? It says to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so type O is 0.45.
So is it just 0.45? Yeah.
Are you still for us?
Is everyone ready to move on?
I am. Are you okay, Doris? Oh. Doris?
Can you hear us?
Can you tell if Doris is still there?
No, yeah, it says she's still here and her mic is on. So I don't know. Hmm.
Hmm.
Uh,
I wonder if she's having problems with her computer.
yeah, I'm gonna message for it. Yes, maybe she just can't respond or can't hear us. I don't know.
Do you guys think we should keep going? Or?
I mean, probably.
Okay, let's see. So what were we on? Question 5?
Yes.
I finally got sound back. I couldn't hear you for any of the others, so.
Okay. Did you get question 4, Doris?
No, I could all cut out.
Okay.
I don't have 4.
So
It is
4
a probability, correct?
What?
sorry, you cut out a little bit, Doris. Can you repeat that?
Number 3, it is a probability distribution. That is true, correct?
Yes.
Okay, on 4, do you divide them by 1?
Well, it just asks what is the probability that somebody has type O blood. So I just look at O and look at the proportion there, and it's 4-5.
Uh-huh.
So that's the answer is 0.45. Is that what you guys think?
Yes. That's it.
Yeah.
You divide it by 1. You put it over they all add up to 1, so you put it over 1, right?
It would still be that, wouldn't it?
Well, they're already divided up on the table.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
So I think the answer is just what is on the table, 0.45.
But
It is.
even if you divide it by 1, you still get 0.45. So,
Right.
yeah, that's the answer.
Okay, so then the next one, it says it wants to know
What is the
um,
probability of random selection?
what's the probability that the person will not have type O?
0.55.
I got
Yes.
0.5.
Yep,
Okay.
that's what I got as well. Okay.
Are we ready to move on to number 6?
Yep.
If the dog guess, if the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient.
They have 1 chance in 6.
Yeah.
Well,
Says-
let's see, there's 7 goals.
So
Right.
0.166.
Yep. That's what I got.
Wait, what did you get?
0.166. You put, they have 6 chances. 1 guess, 6 chances. So you put 6 over 1 and divide, let me look at what I did. 1 divided by 6,
Oh, okay.
0.1666. You're just dividing fraction percent, you times that by 100.
But is it 1/7 because there's 7 bowls?
Bowls.
I'm sorry, I'm confused. So it would be.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So I got 0.143. Did anyone else get that?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, are we ready to move on to number 7?
Yes.
Mhm.
All right. Let's see. So 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or this is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
I think it provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
I do too.
Because it looks like they've got about a 40% chance of detecting it, correct?
Yes.
So I put, again, I put 22 over 54. So you've got 54 divided by 22 is 0.40, and you times that by 100, you get 40%. And I don't have the M&Ms table either.
Oh. Okay, Doris, for the M&Ms, I'm going to tell
I
you what
got it.
it says. Oh, you got it to her? Great. Okay, so for question number 8, how did you guys do that one?
Okay,
I just took the number that was
Brown.
up there and put it.
Yes.
can't see it.
No.
Bottom.
Okay. So the missing number on the table is 0.16, right?
Yes. And that's the answer to number 9, right?
The reason.
Yeah.
I didn't look at it yet. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. 0.16.
You already have all the answers?
I did them when Doris was trying to figure out the sound thing.
For sure.
Yeah, and I don't have the graph, so somebody has to read me how many of each one.
Okay, so the brown, there's 0.13.
Are you Doris? Doris.
Okay, there we
are
go.
you looking at-
Blue, yeah. Now I can see it. You made it bigger. Yellow is 0.14. Okay, red
0.13.
Green,
Green is the missing one, and that's 0.16.
okay, so I have green, red, yellow, blue, and brown. Are there any other colors?
Orange,
Okay,
0.20.
Doris, can you see my screen?
yeah, brown, 0.13. And then it went away again.
Can you just write it down?
Yeah, I've got it written down. Jacob has to keep talking so I can see his screen, because when he gets quiet, then it goes away.
Oh.
Oh,
I think you can click on
Okay.
it at the bottom and then
yeah,
stay.
I think you can just select
Oh, there we
me
go.
And then
stay up there.
cool.
Okay. So brown, red, green, blue, and orange.
And yellow.
Oh, yeah, yellow. Brown, yellow, red, blue, and orange.
And green. Yeah.
Yellow,
There should
blue.
be
Okay,
6
you got it.
dots.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so question 8 is 0.13 because it just wants to know how many are red.
Okay, that's right.
And then question 9, it's the missing number. So you can add up all of the numbers that you have and
Okay.
subtract them from 1, and that'll give you the missing number. And that was 0.16.
Yes.
So I got orange at 2, yellow at 14, blue at 24, brown at 13, and 8.4. Okay, I see how you got that. Thank you.
Now they want to know what's the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green. So if we know what green is, we could subtract that from 1.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
84, because we just did that.
Mm-hmm.
I got 0.190.
Huh?
What?
No, 0.84.
0.84. Okay.
Are you on number 10?
Yeah, I thought we had to divide that by all of the others. So I put 84 over 16 and divided it. And got 0.190.
I think you're trying to make it harder than it is.
It was probably,
If you just take you can do it one of 2 ways because everything has to add up to 1.
yeah.
They want to know what the probability is that it won't be green. You could subtract from 1,
Uh-huh.
or you could add up all the other numbers and leave out green and see what they add up to. And it should be the same number either way.
Yeah. Where we added up and got 84 and then subtracted 84 from 100 and got 16. You just used the 84 from the last
Right.
question, right? Okay.
Alrighty. Are we ready to move on to 11?
Yeah.
Yes.
Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
0.23. 24.3.
Does he want the actual number, or does he want the word that's associated with that number?
I think he wants the number.
Okay.
Put down both just to cover your bases.
You might get it wrong if you do that.
Yeah, I think you get it wrong
Okay.
if you do that.
I think we just want to put in the number. So are we putting 24.3?
I just put in 2, 4.
Because
That's
that's
all I
the
put.
median.
Yeah.
And in the 5 number, that's the middle, correct?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, number 12, based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of students scored above what number?
I got 22. Oh wait, the top 25. My bad. I chose bottom 25. So 27.
Yeah, I got 27.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, and last one. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability?
I got C.
There's no probabilities are never negative, correct?
Yeah,
Right.
perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go submit the quiz, see if we got it wrong.
Did any quiz, the homework quiz?
Yep, we got them all right.
Perfect.
When you guys do the homework quiz,
Uh-huh.
be careful that you put the number in not as a percent.
Okay.
So you want to put in the decimal.
Okay. The decimal. Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Written down somewhere. Let me see if I can find it.
All right, cool. I'm gonna stop the broadcast now. I think they need to see this part. Do I leave the chat if I stop the broadcast?
No, I don't believe so.